Right, okay, so I bring them here. I try to organize it on the plate because there is another step to make after cooling. So after cooling, I will put some jam between two shapes, and in this way I'm going to stick them together. So I'm using some peach jam, but you can use strawberry or raspberry or any kind of jam that you like. Okay, now let's see if they are cool enough. Not quite yet, but we need to wait a little bit. Turn them upside down. Place it on another plate. And let's put some jam on the top and spread it. Very nice. Of course, if you like jam, you can put more. If you are not so keen, then you shouldn't put that much. And then find another big Christmas tree and just put it over it. You can stick together some more, or you can just leave some as they are. Depends if you like sweeter things or not so sweet things, because this biscuit is not very sweet on its own. But of course with this cream at the top it's a bit sweeter, but if you want something even sweeter, then you should put this jam on it, and in this way you will get a real sweetie for Christmas. You can choose a nice plate, and actually you can place it under the Christmas tree. Okay, I'll probably make a snowman too. Okay, a little bit more here. Lovely. Good. Now they are all ready to eat, all ready to decorate. Merry Christmas.